Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial on how to write a Python program to print Armstrong numbers in the range of 100 to 1000. An Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of its own digits raised to the power of the number of digits. For example, 153 is an Armstrong number because 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed equals 153. Here is the Python program to print Armstrong numbers in the range of 100 to 1000. In this program, we define a function is_Armstrong_number, that takes a number as input and returns true if it is an Armstrong number, and false otherwise. Within the function, we calculate the number of digits in the number and then compute the sum of each digit raised to the power of the number of digits. We then compare the sum with the original number to determine if it is an Armstrong number. Finally, we iterate over the range of numbers from 100 to 1000 and print out the Armstrong numbers within that range. You can run this program in a Python environment to see the Armstrong numbers between 100 and 1000 being printed.